Wait. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Class?
Yes.
Okay, that was not bad, not bad. Yes, that guy.
I actually figured out what I was going to say.
Uh-oh.
Did you use any of our recordings for your video?
This class is the most energetic so far. Not just today, but for the last couple weeks. I don't know what it is. You guys just really enjoy being here. I appreciate that. And it helps me out too. Because it makes you guys pretending like you want to be here makes me pretend like I want to be here too. Okay? Yes, it is. Still tear. All right, now go put your earbuds away or your ear mufflers. Because not today? What? It's not that cold out today? Okay, all right. So, I know all those earbuds are getting put away, and for those people taking notes here, we're making sure that we're on page number
26.
7.
26.
All right, so I know you guys are all writing 27 on this because a lot of people, when it comes time to actually put this in your notebook, you can't find it and you don't know where it goes. Okay, so it's all right. It's all right. You know I grade your notebook, right? Okay, so these are all right where they're supposed to be. So, page 27, measure of dispersion. Now, I'm pretty sure everyone already knows what all that means, right? Everyone's done dispersion before?
Yeah.
Yeah, just so you know, I had a teacher ask me what it is this morning. So, yeah, no worries. Even teachers that teach us don't know what it is. So, what it means is we're going to find range and standard deviation for these sets. And we're going to use NumWorks here because NumWorks works really well with this. Super easy. It's a lot easier than any of the other programs you guys had. If you've used the TI calculators, NumWorks, this unit is the main reason why last year we were using the TI calculators and this year we're using all NumWorks. Okay? Because it just makes life so much easier. Range. Range is a vocabulary word. Okay? Used to describe the spread of data in a data set. Two of the most common measures of dispersion are range and standard deviation. Range is the difference between the highest and the lowest data values in the data set. Highest minus lowest. It's that easy. Highest minus lowest. That's it. That's the range. Honolulu's hottest day is 89 degrees, and its coldest day is 61 degrees. The range in temperature would be 89 minus 61, so the range is 28. It's that easy. It's that easy. Yeah, seriously, don't even forget about this. Seriously, don't trip, fall, and forget this again. You got this. Computing the range. The figure shows the price per gallon of unleaded gasoline over 4 selected years. Find the price range for these 4 years. This is crazy. Any of y'all drive?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, not legal. Okay, do you legally put gas, buy gas to that car?
Yeah.
Okay. So.
God, did you see these prices?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm telling you.
Is there an unlegal way to get gas?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
This is crazy. Back in the day, this is expensive.
Anyway, all right, so.
I'm used to getting gas for bro.
Hey, look. 1990. $1.17 a gallon. That's crazy, right? Okay, 2000. $1.52 a gallon. That's not bad. I remember the first time I saw it going over $2 a gallon. I was like, what the hell? Okay. 2010. 2010, it went up to $2.79 a gallon. Okay, 2020, it was $2.08 a gallon.
Hey, when those people were here, registered for voting, turn 18, I accidentally put Republican.
Oh, man. Okay, so here's 2023. $4.58 a gallon.
Yeah, that is crazy. I mean,
I wish I had one of those stickers that I can actually put on here with Joe Biden pointing, and he's all, I did that.
I get like gas like bro, no, God.
That's crazy, right?
I actually don't think that man's like mentally okay.
Like low key. Anything on this side of the city is like more expensive.
Of course he's not okay. He's a fossil.
Okay. Anyway, all right. So going to this, and now not really complaining too much about gas prices. Yeah, I put $110 in my trucks the other day. Ugh. Anyway, so my range would be the highest, which in this case don't include 2023, which would be what? 279. Minus my lowest.
117.
Do the math.
There you go.
One what?
162.
So my range is 162, or 1.62, 162 pennies. Alrighty. Right, so, see all this stuff right here? We're going to do this on the calculator. You don't have to do this stuff by hand, but if you're not paying attention, I might throw something at you because this is going to be key to doing all this. So, you got your calculator out. You got NumWorks out, right? Okay. These are our data points that we're going to use. So, we're going to first calculate the mean. So we're going to calculate the mean. So that's the X bar. So I'm going to NumWorks. Now this time, I'm going to make the calculator do everything for me. Down, statistics, hit OK. Are you writing these steps down?
Yeah.
Are you writing down NumWorks?
Oh, no.
Go to statistics. Because this is going to be the question y'all are going to ask me later on. Like, hey, how do I get to there? And just say it just like that. Or he's going to say like, broski, yo, I forgot how to do this. Can you show me? One of you fools. All right, so I'm going to start plugging in my values that I have here. So my value 1. What is it?
1.17.
Okay, so 1.17. And this one actually does a frequency table too. So you know those frequency tables that we were doing in 12.1 and 12.2? Yeah, it does this also. So all the ones for the frequencies, it does that also. I just wanted you guys to know how to do it mathematically first before I gave you the cheater method on the calculator. What's the next one?
1.52.
5.2. 2.79.
And the other one is 2.80.
Yes? No?
See.
Did you get this? Yes, you. Is it on NumWorks? Okay. Good job. All right, so now that we all have this, now arrow over, or actually go up first. I could graph it. Yay! I could show all the different things. Okay. Because in the calculator, it's nice seeing graphs.
We're doing it Instagram.
But, huh?
You're doing Instagram, right?
No, we're not. I'm just showing you that it will do this. And the next thing that we're going to go to, dang it, I want statistics. And this goes through and lists everything for you. So how many data points did we have?
4.
We had 4 data points. The minimum was,
1.7.
okay, quartiles, median. Hey, the median was 1.8. Okay. Maximum was 2.79. The range is 1.62. IQR, don't worry about that. We don't need that now. So I'm going to start scrolling down, and I want the mean. Okay, this mean, the symbol, it's called mu. That's a Greek letter mu. It looks weird. So, but we're going down to sample mean, for we're dealing with a sample here. So we want X bar. X bar. I know you guys are all writing this down because it's important for you to get this correct. You want X bar, sample mean. So my sample mean is going to be 1.89, right? Yes? Good. Are you guys writing that into the notes? Good. So my sample mean, X bar, 1.89. So deviation, data item minus the mean. So to do these ones, the data item would be 1.17 minus my mean of 1.89, 1.52 minus 1.89, 2.79 minus 1.89, and 2.08 minus 1.89. You're going to have a homework question like this. That's why I'm trying to get you to fill these in. Then you would do the math for each one. I think on your notes I actually left that one filled in.
That's me. That's me. That's me.
Why
I
you
said
going to
21.
school, bro?
Boy,
I said 21. Let's go.
I literally was a minute away.
Let's go.
I literally walked in 18 to 1.
Oh, I love you, Florida.
Why'd you even show up?
I love you, Florida.
Probably, I still think
In the corner. All right, there we go. So do the math, and if you notice, I actually left this slide in also. So the math is already there for you to see this. So I did the math, so it's right here on this slide for each one of those values. So you can look at the table and see what those are. Now I'm going to back up a little bit to this. Standard deviation is a hot mess. It really is. I hate doing standard deviation and I like doing math. I hate doing this statistics. But then, all this stuff right here, standard deviation. Let me go right here. Standard deviation, let's go back to NumWorks. Sample standard deviation. So in my notes right here, after I get my sample mean, I have my sample standard deviation. My sample standard deviation is going to be 0.707436, blah, blah, blah. And we're going to round this 2 decimal points, which is going to be 0.71. NumWorks did everything for me, didn't it? It did. So the only thing I have to do when I'm doing the notes is make sure I am filling in all my boxes for my values it's asking for. So right here, where we get this. So step by step, 1 through 6, or step 1. Just put it in the calculator. Just put it in the calculator. That's what the notes say. Just put it in the calculator. You like that? Okay, good. Anyway, so I think that one's it for us, right?
Yeah.
All right. Make sure you guys all like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button. Support my channel. Buy stuff for my store. And let's take a look at the homework.